Ever wondered how to quickly update your Instagram password? Follow this guide. To begin with, open the Instagram app on your device. Now click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, tap the three lines menu at the top right. From the menu that appears, choose Account Center at the top. Once inside, look for the option labeled Password and Security and click on it. Next, select Change Password. If you have multiple accounts connected, choose the Instagram account you want to update. Now enter your current password. Then type the new password you want to use. Furthermore, re-enter the new password again to confirm. When you are ready, hit Change Password at the bottom. And your new password will be saved instantly. And there you go. I hope this guide made everything super easy.